All right, bet, let's get back into it. We got a 2015 S63 coupe here. As you can see, we have a flashing check engine light. Anytime your check engine light is flashing, that means that you have a misfire. So let's get this thing diagnosed. We're going to scan the codes. We're going to see what cylinders are misfiring. We're going to go to those cylinders. We're going to pull the spark plugs, pull the coils off, check compression, check fuel pressure, and we're going to, 9 times out of 10, we're going to set this guy up with plugs and coils all around. He does have almost 86,000 on it, so it is about time for a tune-up anyway. All right, first things first, let's thank Daniel for handcrafting this fine engine and putting this fine automobile. Remember, it's not a real AMG if you don't got one of those. All right, so here's where product knowledge comes into play. We got the car scanned and the codes pulled up, right? We have misfires on 5, 2, 3, and 8. We come up here, actuation of ignition coil number 8 has an internal component fault. Then we come down to read the rest of them. Coil 5, open circuit. Coil 2, open circuit. Coil 3, open circuit. So knowing these cars, what happened was this ignition coil number 8 went bad, it backfed and popped the fuse for these other coils as well. All right, now confirmation, we looked up a wiring diagram and found out which fuse sends power to these coils. We got this 15 right here. You take a look at that. We have no voltage on that side. We have power on this side. This fuse is bad. Let's right here. Definitely got a pop fuse. I'm going to replace it. Now watch this. Oh, it popped it again already. Did you guys see that? It popped the fuse again already. Let's sing these coils and let's do coils and spark plugs. Now, just one more thing, just to confirm and make sure that we don't have any burnt wires or wiring issues. We have the coil packs all the way unplugged, and we got them unplugged on the other side here, which means when we go in here and we pop this fuse in, it should not pop like it was immediately. And there we go. By now, the other fuse had popped by now, so this fuse is good, so we know that we got good wiring, no messed up wires. This thing just needs some coil packs and some plugs.